Hello, this is going to be our web server return project proposal.
I'm Tommy Walker.
I'm Joshua Pinson.
And I'm Brandon Gunn. And without further ado, let me go ahead and go into the term project overview. We will have a website in which runs a database that holds items in which clients can view and purchase items. The term project centers around 3 different entities, which include users, registered users, and admins. All have the capabilities to edit profiles and make purchases. Depending on the class, the type of user will determine special privilege that other users may or may not have.
As a website, I want to present a navigation bar so users can shop under different categories. I want to display a login button that allows registered users to log in. As a website, I want to display a register button so users can become registered users.
As a website, I want to display items for sale so the user can purchase them.
As a website, I want to save registered users' checkout info so users can check out faster.
As a website, I want to save the display cart button so users can see what all is in their shopping cart.
As a website, I want to have a checkout button so users can purchase selected items. As a registered user, I want to access my account information so I can change it as I need it, and I want to have access to exclusive deals normal users don't have.
As a user, I want to navigate the website in an easy manner so I can purchase items I desire.
As an admin, I want to edit the inventory of the site so the user can look at relevant information. That has been our web server return project proposal.